how to fix Windows Update error 0x800f0983. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, go here on our desktop. And then the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the search bar and then search for settings. After that, click open. Once you're now here, go on the system, which is below the home. So click that. And then in this part, just scroll down until you see recovery. So which is right here. So click that. And then in this part, we will see this fix problems using Windows Update. So what we're going to do is to click reinstall now, which is right here. And then once you're now here, you will see this pop-up text, which is right here. So all you have to do is to click on OK. And then after that, you will be redirected into this page. So all you have to do is to wait for Windows to check for updates. So if you see that there are updates available, all you have to do is to, of course, install them. And then all you have to do is to wait for them to finish. And then once it is installed, all you have to do is to restart your PC, and then that should fix your problem. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to fix Windows Update error 0x800f0983.